Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two fantastic smartphones from Oppo. The Oppo Reno 12 5G, which we have extensively reviewed on this channel, and the brand new Oppo Reno 13 5G, which was just recently launched late last year. Let's see how these two stack up against each other. First up, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Oppo Reno 12 5G features a sleek, rounded body. It's lightweight at 177 grams and has a thickness of 7.6 millimeters. On the other hand, the Oppo Reno 13 5G has flattened all the curves except for the still rounded corners and steps it up with an aluminum alloy frame, making it slightly heavier at 181 grams but thinner at 7.2 millimeters. Plus, it boasts with an IP66 slash IP68 slash IP69 dust and water resistance compared to just IP65 rating of the Reno 12. When it comes to the display, both phones offer stunning visuals. The Reno 12 5G has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The Reno 13 5G, however, features a slightly smaller 6.59-inch AMOLED display, but with a higher resolution of 1256 by 2760 pixels and the same 120 Hz refresh rate. The Oppo Reno 13 offers much thinner bezels compared to the Reno 12. The Reno 13 boasts a 93.4% screen-to-body ratio compared to just 90% for the Reno 12. Both phones offer 1200 nits brightness, HDR10 Plus and Netflix HD certification, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. Under the hood, the Reno 12 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy chipset, paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. The Reno 13 5G, on the other hand, packs the more powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, with options for up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. This means better performance and smoother multitasking on the Reno 13 5G. For storage capacity, the Reno 12 offers up to 512 gigabytes, while the Reno 13 is available with up to 1 terabyte. However, expandable storage is only available for the Reno 12 and has been removed for the Reno 13. Now, let's talk cameras. The Reno 12 5G sports a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel 112-degree ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. The Reno 13 5G has the same triple rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel 115-degree ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor lens. The Reno 13 also adds a color spectrum sensor for its rear lens. For the front camera, the Reno 12 offers 32 megapixels, while the Reno 13 boosts this to 50 megapixels. Both front and rear cameras are still capable of shooting 4K videos, with up to 60 frames per second for the Reno 13 and 30 frames per second for the Reno 12. Battery life is crucial, and both phones deliver. The Reno 12 5G comes with a 5,000 mAh battery and supports 80-watt fast charging. The Reno 13 5G ups the ante with a larger 5,600 mAh battery and the same 80-watt fast charging. So you can expect longer battery life and quick top-ups with the Reno 13 5G. In terms of software, the Reno 12 5G initially runs Android 14, but is now upgradable to Android 15 and ColorOS 15, while the Reno 13 5G comes with the latest Android 15 and ColorOS 15 out of the box. Both phones offer a smooth and intuitive user experience, but the Reno 13 5G has the advantage of some new features that are still not available on the Reno 12, like AI Motion and AI Live Photo. Hopefully, these new features will also soon be rolled out to the Reno 12. So, there you have it, a detailed comparison of the Oppo Reno 12 5G and the Oppo Reno 13 5G. Both phones are fantastic in their own right, but if you're looking for the latest and greatest with better performance, a higher resolution display, and a larger battery, the Reno 13 5G is the way to go. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching.